Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we will present about the result of our mock usability testing on the Grab website. As a given tutorial AN9 for subject human computer interaction, this activity allows us to apply usability tactics in a practical setting, simulating on how will company evaluate their digital platform before releasing them to the public. This mock testing was based on method from usertesting.com, giving a structured step-by-step process starting from planning, designing usability tasks, setting up measurable metric, and finally analyzing user interaction data. The goal was to identify any usability issue and better understand user behavior. So, the website we test is a Grab, a leading platform in Southeast Asia that provides services like ride-hailing, food delivery, parcel service, and digital payment. We also focus on how easily user can navigate through the website, such as sign up, access service, and get support.
Hi, my name is Akif, and I'll be talking about our hypothesis, our group roles, and the usability tasks that were tested. So first, our hypothesis was if users access the Grab website, they can easily find and understand its services through clear navigation and layout. We conducted the test in a quiet environment using tools and timers to track task performance. Each team member had a role to ensure smooth testing and accurate data collection. So first we have our moderator, which was Iman Zafran, observers, which was Muhammad Iman Hafizi and me, Ahmad Akif. We also have our video recorders, which was Nur Anis Farhana and Ajbina Anparasan. And we also have our scriber, which was Nur Sofia Nisa. We created 4 realistic tasks, which was ordering a food, booking a ride, topping up GrabPay, and checking our order history. We tracked how long each task took and noted any confusion or difficulties the users experienced. This mock test gave us valuable insights into user behavior and interface design, helping us understand how to improve digital experiences.
Hi, my name is Nur Anis Farhana binti Amir. I'll be explaining the results from our usability study, which we recorded in Table 4. So for task 1, the participant was asked to order bubble tea to their hostel. We wanted to see if they could use the food search, set their location, and go through checkout. The user completed the task in 4 minutes and 15 seconds, which is within the acceptable time of 6 minutes, and made no errors. The participant appeared calm and focused, and even said that was easy to find. For task 2, the participant had to book a ride to the nearest mall. This tested how easily they could go through the booking process, confirm their pickup location, and select a ride type. It took 3 minutes and 30 seconds, slightly over the 3 minutes estimate but still efficient. Again, there were no errors, and the participant smart after finding the fare and said found it right away. In task 3, the goal was to top up RM10 using GrabPay. The participant had to find the GrabPay section, select a top-up method, and complete the process. This took 2 minutes and 10 seconds, just over the estimated time of 2 minutes. No errors were made, and they said clear enough while navigating, indicating smooth understanding of the steps. Lastly, for the task 4, the task 4 asked the participant to find how to top up RM10 again, but focusing on understanding the instruction. It took 1 minute and 45 seconds within the 1.5-minute goal. The participant made one small error, clicking the wrong area at first, but quickly recovered and said, "Oh, it's under profile," showing slightly confusion but good recovery. So, in summary, all tasks were completed efficiently with only one minor mistake, and overall, user behavior showed confidence and satisfaction.
My name is Nur Sofia Nisa, and now I will be talking about the feedback question and the participant responses for the 5 criteria. So the first one is learnability. This section explores how easily new users can understand and use the app for the first time. And the example question is, do you think it's easy for the first time users to understand how the apps work? And the participant response is yes, it's quite intuitive. The homepage is clear and the features are easy to spot. The second one is efficiency. This question assesses how quickly and smoothly users can complete tasks within the app. And the example question is, are the loading times reasonable when switching between app sections? And the participant response is yes, it loads fast most of the time. Let's move on to the next page. The satisfaction. This part gathers users' opinions about their overall experience and enjoyment while using the app. And the example question we asked to the users are, would you recommend the Grab app to others? And the participant response is yes, definitely. Next, the errors. These questions identify how often users can encounter issues and how well the app helps them recover. And the example question is, was the error message clear and helpful? And the participant response is yes, it told me what went wrong and how to retry. Next, the last one is memorability. This section evaluates how well users can remember how to use the app after a period of not using it. And the example question is, if you didn't use Grab for a month, would you still remember how to use it? And the participant response is yes, the layout is simple enough to remember.
Hi, I am Iman Hafizi. So I will explain about the result of the Grab usability testing. So first one is the task success rate. All 4 assigned tasks were completed successfully, showing that users were generally able to accomplish their goal with ease. This also indicates that the Grab website provides efficient and functional navigation for key services. Second is time and efficiency. Each task was completed within the acceptable time frame, suggesting that the layout and labeling of features are intuitive. However, task 4 took slightly longer due to minor confusion. This may point to a small usability gap in the Grab's interface. The third one is error and challenges. Only one error was recorded, that participant clicked on the wrong section while trying to make a mobile phone top-up credit, and no critical issue were observed. This low error rate suggests that the overall interface is user-friendly, although some improvement can be made in the top-up section of Grab. User behavior observation, which is the first one. Body language and verbal cue through the think aloud method reflected mostly positive engagement. The participants show confidence and satisfaction when completing tasks. Minor hesitation was only observed during task 4, indicating potential improvement in the label character or visual hierarchy. The last one, which is the patterns and recommendations. Although the tasks were successfully completed, a slight pattern of hesitation was noted when navigating during the top-up credit section. If more participants were tested and show similar behavior, this would confirm a usability issue. Our recommendation is to enhance visibility of the top-up credit option or clear button that is easy to see, so that it can enhance the user experience. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Ashwina here. So based on our usability testing, we concluded that the Grab website is overall user-friendly, initiative and efficient. Users were able to complete the key tasks such as booking rides, ordering food and also using Grably smoothly and within the expected time. There were very few errors and navigation across the platform felt straightforward and also accessible for the most participants. Our findings support our initial hypothesis that the website is well designed for everyday use. However, we did identify a small usability issue within the Grab food section. For example, some users hesitated briefly due to unclear labeling and also less visible filtering options. While this didn't prevent task completion, it didn't momentarily disrupt the user flow. This suggests that while the Grab website functioned well overall, there's a room for minor improvements, especially in enhancing clarity and visibility in certain areas to further improve the user experience. Next, let's look to the reflection slide. This usability testing activity was both engaging and also educational. It gave us practical and hands-on experience in observing real user interaction, and also highlighted how valuable user feedback is in identifying design strength and weakness. One of the biggest takeaways was learning that even small design decisions such as the placement of icons or how clearly labels are written can significantly affect how users navigate a site. Watching users in action reveal issues that wouldn't have been obvious just by looking at the interface ourselves. The most enjoyable part of the process was analyzing users' reaction and their behaviors. It was interesting to see how they interacted with the site and where they hesitated or got confused. It helped us understand what worked well and also what could be improved as well. The most challenging part was definitely the preparation stage, particularly organizing the task flow and assigning clear roles for each team member. It required careful coordination to ensure the test ran smoothly. If we were to do this again, we would improve the task list by making it more specific and also realistic. This would help uncover more meaningful feedback and also possibility high detail usability issues. Thank you.